By now, in the admin tutorial series, we've covered a lot of ground, and there isn't much left to explain about the review date reasons section. This feature should feel intuitive, especially if you're already familiar with other similar sections like appearance types and the functionalities of the data providers. When you navigate to this section, you'll notice it operates much like a duplicate of the appearance types interface. On the left, you have your categories, and on the right, you'll see the corresponding review date, reasons. This setup allows you to easily manage the structure and organization of your cases. If you select a row in this section, an edit link appears, giving you the ability to modify or remove an entry as needed. For those looking to expand their list, there's an Add button conveniently placed at the top of both the categories and reasons sections, allowing you to quickly create new review date reasons. This precise level of management ensures that your most critical cases are always at the forefront of your workflow. By maintaining clear and up-to-date review date reasons, you'll have a clear roadmap of what's coming next, keeping your cases organized and always on track. At this point, there's not much more to say about this feature because, quite frankly, you should be a LawOffice.ai admin expert by now. With this knowledge, you're fully equipped to make the most of every feature and ensure your law office operates smoothly and efficiently.